Behind the cheerful faces of Sanrio's beloved characters lies an unexpectedly deep and passionate philosophy, a wish for world peace. The story begins with the dream of the Strawberry King. After surviving the harsh years of World War II, Sanrio's founder, Shintaro Tsuji, decided to devote his life to creating a world where everyone could live in harmony. This vision crystallized into a simple but profound philosophy. The gift of friendship can start with the smallest gesture. Sanrio's very core is built on the idea that even a little present can nurture great friendships. Tsuji himself is reflected in the character of the Strawberry King, who became both a symbol of Sanrio's worldview and a messenger to children, spreading heartfelt messages about the importance of peace through magazines like Ichigo Shimbun. For decades, the words of the Strawberry King have reminded young readers that kindness and togetherness are worth more than anything. Among Sanrio's legion of global stars, no one is more adored than Hello Kitty. There's a gentle but powerful reason Hello Kitty doesn't have a mouth. She is designed to reflect the feelings of anyone who looks at her. Happy, and she smiles with you. Sad, and she quietly listens to your sorrow. Hello Kitty is a mirror for human emotion, allowing silent conversations from the heart rather than the mouth. This unique trait appeals across cultures and languages, making her a truly universal friend. Sanrio's passion for peace and joy also materialized in the creation of Sanrio Puroland. Opened in 1990 near Tokyo, it was Japan's first completely indoor theme park, a bold choice at the time. Tsuji and the Sanrio team wanted to create a space where children could find happiness, rain or shine. Some doubted whether an all-weather park could ever be a good business, but Sanrio committed itself. To ensure that Puroland would be more than just a place to see costumed characters, they invited famed theatrical directors from the Takarazuka Revue to craft elaborate parades and musicals, elevating the entertainment value to new heights. As times changed, so did Sanrio's approach. When society began yearning for comfort and relatability, Sanrio didn't simply stick to perfect cuteness. Instead, they introduced quirky, offbeat characters like Gudetama and Kirimikan, who captured people's hearts by embracing laziness and authenticity, reflecting both the tiredness and the candid humor of modern life. This ability to read the mood of the times and touch on what people truly need, emotionally and culturally, has kept Sanrio relevant generation after generation. Sanrio is also a pioneer in connecting with fans, implementing the character ranking system where supporters can vote for their favorites and celebrate their own style of support culture years before it became mainstream. This direct relationship between characters and audience creates a sense of belonging and mutual cheerfulness. Whether it's the generous spirit behind every small gift, the heart-to-heart conversations Hello Kitty inspires, or the welcoming embrace of Puroland's Wonderland, Sanrio continues to remind the world that beneath the surface of simple cuteness lies a dream for a kinder, more peaceful planet. That is the true magic behind the smiles of Sanrio's characters.